Suppose you're visiting Japan in April 2025 when the cherry blossom season is at peak. You can see the beautiful pink petals dancing in the wind and you're mesmerized. You're taking photos, you wander away from your tour group, and soon you realize you're lost. You find your guide, but he speaks only Japanese and you don't know a word of it. At first, you both look confused, but then you point to a picture of your group on your phone. The guide smiles, nods, and gestures for you to follow. You use hand signs, a translation app, and even a few Japanese words you've just learned, and together you find your way back. Even without a shared language, you both understand each other through simple signals and shared context. And this is the story for our next topic, which is MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it is a new open system. It's a new standard that lets different AI models and tools talk to each other safely. Think of MCP as a universal translator between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. Example, if ChatGPT wants to use a weather plugin made for Claude, MCP makes that possible.